Hey everyone, and welcome back to this rapid-fire explainer on price action. We're diving deep into our technical analysis crash course today, and we are officially moving way past the basics. For the next few minutes, we're going to decode a really fascinating visual tool that pro traders use to essentially read the market's mind. And getting this down right now is going to set the perfect stage for the live trading applications we'll be tackling very, very soon.
Now, I want you to just think about that question for a second. Is it actually possible for one tiny little visual cue on a chart to signal the exact moment a market is about to completely flip? Well, when you know exactly what to look for, the answer is a resounding yes. Today, we are looking at a highly specific type of candlestick that does exactly that. Okay, so let's meet the Doji family. Now, normally, a candlestick has a thick body, right? It shows you the clear difference between the open and the close. But a doji? A doji is totally unique. The price dances around all day, but then it closes almost exactly where it started. What you're left with is this tiny, nearly non-existent body. It's like a massive game of tug-of-war where nobody actually wins. Now, while there are standard and long-legged dojis out there that basically just scream market indecision, today we are focusing on two highly specific, super explosive variations that tell some incredibly profitable stories. Let's look at our first major player, the Dragonfly Doji. Honestly, I like to call this one the buyer's absolute best friend. When this specific pattern pops up, it's a massive, massive clue about who just won the battle on the trading floor. So how do we actually spot this thing in the wild? Well, let's break down the anatomy. First off, and this is a big one, color does not matter at all. Red, green, who cares? It's the exact same signal. The body itself is almost invisible, and there's practically zero top wick. But the dead giveaway? That would be the bottom wick. It is incredibly long, dropping way down, usually 3 to 4 times the size of the body itself. But here's the catch. Location is literally everything. The Dragonfly is most explosive when it forms right near a known support level. If it pops up here, it means sellers tried their hardest to tank the price, which is what creates that super long tail, but buyers aggressively ambush them and force the price right back up to where it started. Sellers are totally trapped now, making a major upward reversal highly, highly likely. Okay, moving right along, let's look at the exact opposite pattern. The gravestone doji. If the Dragonfly is the buyer's best friend, well, the gravestone is a seller's absolute dream. It looks completely different and flashes the exact opposite warning sign. Visually, it's pretty much a complete inversion. Just like before, color doesn't matter. Black, red, green, just ignore it. The body is practically zero, but this time around, the bottom wick is totally missing. Instead, you've got this massive top wick shooting upwards, often 3 to 5 times the size of the tiny little body. And just like the Dragonfly needs that support level to matter, the gravestone is essentially a massive flashing red alert when it hits a resistance ceiling. It tells a crystal clear story. Buyers tried to push the price higher, completely exhausted themselves, and sellers ruthlessly slammed the price right back down. Momentum has totally shifted here, guys, and a downward reversal is imminent. So pitting them head-to-head really paints the full picture, doesn't it? You've got the Dragonfly at support, signaling strong buyers stepping up from below. And then you've got the gravestone at resistance, signaling strong sellers taking over from above. They're basically two sides of the exact same coin, using a non-existent body and extreme wicks to reveal exactly what the market is going to do next. Now, mastering these foundational shapes, really getting them burned into your brain, that's your absolutely crucial first step here. Because knowing what these candles mean in isolation, that's just the beginning. Very soon, we're going to mix these concepts directly into live trading scenarios using these exact cues to time your entries and exits with total confidence. So, before we wrap up this explainer, I've got a challenge for you. Are you ready to actually spot these tug-of-war patterns on your own charts before the next massive breakout hits? Pull up your favorite asset right now, trace your support and resistance lines, and start hunting for those extremely long wicks. The market is constantly talking to us. The only question is, are you listening?